Key? Can Key deliver on its promise? I don't know. Is it going to give us the key to success? Let's try and see. All right, Key is what we are trying to study. Key, oh my God, see, Key has gone up. Let's go for Key, guys. Let's go for Key. Let's see whether Key will give us the key to success. Let's go pick it. We're picking $50. That's what we are doing, guys. We are picking $50. $50, okay? $50 of worth of Key, and let's see whether this will go, guys. Will it go? I'm currently in the queue. Would it go? It's gone, guys. It went, guys. Look at it. How much did we buy? Let's go see. Let's see how much we bought, and then we set our sell limit. Okay, this is the time to set our sell limit. So we bought Key worth of $49.99, practically $50. And because Key is like, okay, we can do that in here, it's just less than 1 cent. So we're not going to be really leaving too much behind if we try to do it in spot trading. So I'm just going to put that in the sell, but I need to check. Where did it go the last, guys? You can see it's going up. It is going up. We have, that's 9663. Okay. Currently, can you see what's going on? 68. This is going to push up, guys. It is going up. It is going up. So let me put it in 96 and see what we can get. All right, let's put it in 96. 50 point. Oh, not enough, guys. Let's put 6 there. Okay, I think I love 966. Okay, we put 966 there. 966. It got to 966. I'm gonna put in that. $1.18 is not a bad deal. Let's go for it, guys. 2% plus, and that's fine. We are picking trades here, guys. Look at it. Oh my God. Can you see what I am seeing here? We're currently at 9477. This is going up, guys. This is making the rounds. Yeah, it's going up. Okay, so 9438 is going, it's going, it's going. Look at it. I just took Key, okay? And currently Key is at 9462. And I'm currently in profit because I bought this. Look at it. Let me show you something. How much did I buy this? I bought this Key that I just picked now. I bought it at 9426. So that means I am in profit. If I want to sell now, I will make some little profit over the coin I just bought. But do you know that some people can come and say, oh wow, I've made a lot of profit, and then they sell off a lot of Key. And when they sell off a lot of Key, right, Key's price will go down. And when Key's price goes down, I'm still in the trade. And until my trade executes, I don't get the profit. Don't forget, I just put a sell limit to get $1.18. All right, over my $50 trade, which is representative of 2.4%. All right, 2.4%. If this trade does not execute, which it surely will very soon, because you can see it's going up. If it doesn't execute, my dear, I will still be in the trade, and then I'll be hoping that it executes, and then I'll be wondering when it will execute. If it executes and I take another one, that is when I begin to make, the profits, okay? And then I can accumulate and say, yes, my profits are so and so amount. You can have control over your actions. You may not have control over your outcomes. Did you get that? You can have control over your actions. That means that you can decide on what trade to take. Concerning like what I have taken right now, I have control over my decision of whether I should take that trade or not. Because I had to analyze it, look at the situations, and made a decision. As you can see right now, it's going up. Look at our Key. Our Key is at 96, guys. Look at it. Key is at 96. Ooh, oh my God, look at it. Look at it. I think I may go and cash out. Should I go and cash out? Should I cash out? Should I cash out? Oh my God, it's going up. Oh, look at it. 96. Hey, look at it. Should I cash out? I don't know. I think I should. Okay, so I should stay calm. Okay, let me leave it. Let's leave it. Can you see? It's going up. It's going up. Key is giving us a key. It's giving us a key, guys. It's giving us a key. Let's see whether it will go. Let's see. I don't know. I'm just watching it, like a football commentator. Let's wait and see. Will it get to the destination? Will it get to 966? That's where we are going. It's at 9620, guys. It's at 9620. Will it get to 966? I don't know. We are checking it out. Not sure, guys. I don't know. Let me see. It's at 71, so it still has enough power. Hey, it still has enough power. Let's try and see. It's gone down to 9621. Okay, 9624. Oh my God! Come on, get going, guys. Get going. Oh my God, I just love it. Let's just see whether it will go beyond this. Will it get to 966? All right. Let me leave the place. Let me leave the place and let me stop commenting. Let me stop giving commentary. Look at key. Key is at 9648. Oh my, oh my, oh my. It's at 9655, guys. Woo! Woo! Can you see that? 9656. Wow, come on, keep on going, keep on going. 966. Oh my God, we hit 966, 9665, 9666, 9667. Oh my God. Look at it. Probably it has hit the target, guys. Let's go and see. It's in limit, so it's in. Yes, we hit it, guys. We hit it. Key to the moon, guys. Look at it. We have executed our key trade. That's it. Let's go check and convert. Let's look at what's going on in convert, guys. Look at it. I mean, just listen to what I have to say here. You know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about, guys. Oh, key is not there. Key is actually, I thought key was in here. Key is inside of our trade history. Oh yes, look at it. Key gave us $1.18, and you can see, just look at it. I mean, was it Edafe that asked? Look at the trading fee. The trading fee was just 5 cents. Okay, can you see that? The trading fee is 5 cents. It's 0.051. That's the trading fee. Do you understand? That's 0.1%. So that means we actually made $1.13. Okay? Do you understand that? We made $1.13. Okay, so let's quickly go and check, what exactly. Key to the moon. I love that. Strong bullish interest in balance says yippee. Yeah. I hope you took this trade with me. Don't just watch me make money. You make the money too, guys. Make the money too. Okay, let's go and calculate. So how much did we spend? Oh, wait a second. How much did we spend? Let's take it again. How much did we spend on key? Let's look at it. We spent how much? We spent $49.99. Just say we spent $50. Okay, so and then we made, let's go and check it. So we made $51. Don't forget, $51.18, but we take off the trading fee. That's $51.13. 51.13. All right, minus, don't forget this, minus for, let's say, no, don't bother about that. Let's put $50. Okay, so we made $1.13, right? $1.13. And how much is that? That's for key, right? What would that be? So if I look and put $50 times, I think that's like 2.2, no, 2.21, 2.22, no, 2.23. What am I doing? 2.3, let's say 2.24. Yeah, like 2.24 is like 13 cents. So let's say 2.24%. No, would it be 2.25 or 2. No, let me make it 2.26. Yeah, so we made, that was 2.26, guys. Look at that for key. All right, so that's 2.26%. And that's a cool one. And the reason why I allow it to run over a little bit beyond the 2% is so that we can accommodate any fees that come about. But don't forget, if it was in the convert section, it wouldn't charge us any of that. Okay, so I mean, we've executed key, right? That's beautiful. Key has executed. I love that. Done. And you can see it's gone up and it's gone down a bit. It hit it and started going down. It hit it and started going down. Can you just imagine that? Okay, so done and dusted, guys.